Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Bridge. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe. So today's video has nothing to do with the podcast or tech related content, but in today's video I'm going to share some really amazing and important information with you all. So many of you might have seen my LinkedIn profile. If not, you guys can follow me on LinkedIn, link is in the description. So back in 2016 when I was completing my masters, I was also working as a technical content writer for Geeks for Geeks. This is a platform which actually don't need any kind of introduction. So that time whatever things I was learning, be it the coding, problem solving, algorithms or whatever, I was just writing articles for that, and that was the actual content writing. And the good part was that I was earning for that. Means those guys were paying me some bucks for each and every article. At that time it was a really good motivation for me. I was learning as well, I was writing as well, I was earning as well, that too in the college. For this part I actually created a very detailed video just a year back. The link will be here or here, you guys can check that out and you can watch my entire journey with Geeks for Geeks, how I was writing and what was the journey. Today I'm going to talk about their really amazing initiative which they have taken for the aspiring students, and that initiative is Geeks for Geeks Elite Batch. And this initiative is going to follow a couple of thumb rules. First is learning, second is monthly stipend, third is placements, fourth and very important, no fees ever. That means you are not going to pay anything for this initiative. So I'm going to share all the important information and important steps. Watch this video till the very end, do not miss any of the single step. And also if you like this initiative, then like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel as well. So here are the information related to Elite Batch, and you can also access this information and important links which is in the description. Don't forget to check that out. So the phase 1, which is actually a gateway for this Elite Batch, and it is nothing like a entrance test and interview. So you can read the important guidelines. Graduates from the year 2020 or 2021 will only be eligible to apply for the Geeks for Geeks Elite Batch, and in this test they will be asking 50 MCQ questions which will be related to aptitude, verbal and logical reasoning, and 3 coding problem. This will be in total 2 hours and 30 minutes test. Registrations are now open for this test, which is going to happen on 11th of September by 6 PM. So from now onwards very less time is left. Test link is in the description box. Just click on that and get yourself registered as soon as possible. And once the result will be announced, the top 100 performers in the test will be shortlisted for the interview round, after which 50 candidates will finally be selected for the Elite Batch program. Now we will talk about the phase 2. This is basically learn and earn. That means learning period with stipend, and the window for this period will be 6 months. In this learning period, you will be trained for all technical and non-tech skills. So don't think that if you don't have any kind of prior knowledge for these things which are listed down here, nothing to worry about it. You will be trained for it with proper guidance and with proper resources. Amazing part of this learning period is that you will be also getting some decent stipend per month. Now we will talk about the phase 3, obviously, which will happen after the phase 2. After the learning phase, candidates will be interviewed by the different teams of Geeks for Geeks for different domains like software development, content creation, mentors and many other domains. Based on your performance, you will be allotted to different teams for your internship. Along with that, you will be getting really good stipend on monthly basis for this paid internship. And the phase 4, which is the last one, make it permanent. That means full-time job opportunity. So once the internship period is over, your performance will be reviewed by the different teams. Based on that performance, you will be selected for the full-time role at Geeks for Geeks. You will be getting regular CTC for allocated job like SD, mentor and content writer. Once you click on the test registration link, you will be landed on this home page where you can see all the details and all the important guidelines for the entrance test. Read those instructions and guidelines for the entrance test so that you can prepare yourself well and crack this awesome opportunity. That was all about this Geeks for Geeks Elite Batch program, and I highly recommend it for all the freshers who belong to like batch 2020 or 2021. Please apply for that, learn, get yourself trained for tech and non-tech skills. Please earn as well, because you will be making good money out of this program. This is going to be really helpful to kickstart your professional journey. If you like this information, share this video and give a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the notification icon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, just stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your family too.